Okay, in this video, we're going to continue our discussion about how to increase your conversions in your marketing. And in particular, we're going to continue to focus on email in terms of increasing your conversions in the emails that you write. Now, one of the things that you can do, of course, to lend credibility and to provide proof is to use statistics. And because you don't have a lot of you don't have a lot of time in an email, nor do you have a lot of space to use, you want to try to support your claim that the reader should take action. And one of the best ways to do that is to use statistics from trusted publications and organizations that people will scan and just take almost as fact. So you want to make sure, of course, that you're using statistics that are true, but you want your reader to look at them and to accept them all probably within a split second of reading them so that they continue reading the rest of your email copy and then move on to click your link or to take action. Now let's take a look at some of the sources. If you are communicating inside of the Make Money Online niche, one of the things that you can do, you can use the website for statistics eMarketer. You can use the website Marketing Charts, provides very reliable statistics, and HubSpot.com. Of course, make sure that you give credit to the various organizations when you do that, but in effect, you can get all of the statistics that you need if you use those three sites. Okay, another thing that you can do is you can use action-oriented copy. And actually, you have a couple of bonuses that we are including in your package for emailing that you can use in terms to help you write action-oriented copy in your emails. And so you should take a look at those, at those packages. And action-oriented copy basically means that you want to talk about things that are happening. You want to talk about things that have taken place, real things that you can state, with verbs. So you want to be careful about, being abstract and things that, you're talking about things that people can't see, touch, taste, or feel, and they can't tell if something has really happened. Try to, when you can, talk about something that has happened or is happening. Okay, you want to make your text easy to understand. That means using short paragraphs and short words. And that's really pretty basic. You really don't want to use any paragraphs any longer than 2 sentences. And really that can be long too. Try to keep your paragraphs extremely short and to the point. Keep your words short and to the point. Remember, you don't have long to get people's attention and keep their attention, so you don't want to bore people with a lot of text. You can also use a poll or survey. The website SurveyMonkey will give you a poll that you can put a link in there. And how does that increase conversions, you might ask? Well, what it does is it gives you the exact pulse or opinion of what your list thinks. Now, in one email, it's not going to increase your conversions, but if you start to find out what your readers are interested in, and you start to email them based on that, then that will increase your conversions. It'll increase your open rate, and it'll increase the number of times you're able to get your offer in front of them. So you can use SurveyMonkey or the Ask database as good sources to create surveys. Now, one of the things that we suggest you do is to take mobile into account, and that means that you want to keep your emails very narrow and scannable, almost like a newspaper column. Now, let's kind of show you what we mean when we say that. Okay, notice this email that's being written inside of Aweber. Notice how narrow the columns are. Now, it's written that way for a couple of reasons. Number one, so that it can be scannable and easily read. Number two, so that you keep your email short. And also, one of the key factors is that many people are reading emails on their mobile device. And so you want to keep your email columns narrow so that someone looking at their mobile device can read your email and keep it inside of their device without having to scroll over to the right. Because if you do that, you probably decrease the chances that someone's going to complete the reading of your email. Okay, so that's really everything that we need to talk about in terms of increasing your email conversions. With that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.